Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on X, formerly known as Twitter, that gives you full control over who can reply to your posts. If you've been looking to limit replies only to verified accounts, this guide is just what you need. Let's jump in and walk through every step carefully so you can set it up in seconds. First, open the Twitter app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and that your app is fully updated so you can access the newest features. Once you're in, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. You'll see several icons there: Home, Explore, Notifications, and more. Find the post icon, the one you use to compose a new tweet, and click on it. A new post window will pop up where you can type whatever you want to share: a thought, an update, a photo, or a link. Before posting, direct your attention to the small option that says Who can reply. This control is key because it lets you decide who can engage with your post once it's live. Click on Who can reply. A few different options will appear, such as everyone, people you follow, and verified accounts. Since we want replies only from verified users, select Verified Accounts. This includes all users who have the blue checkmark next to their names, people or organizations verified by the platform. Once you've chosen Verified Accounts, you'll see your settings confirmed right under your post. Now, all that's left to do is hit Post. And that's it. You've just shared a tweet that can only be replied to by verified users. This update is perfect for creators, businesses, and professionals who want to keep discussions focused, reduce spam, and maintain meaningful conversations. It's a simple feature, but it gives you powerful control over your online interactions. So go ahead, try it out, and see how it changes your Twitter experience. Thanks for watching.